So, in talking a little bit about a process that's called regulation, and regulation is a change in phase of matter. In the case I'm showing here, it's matter going from solid to liquid, not due to a change in temperature, but due to a change in pressure. We're all used to seeing things melt due to an increase in temperature, but you can also cause a solid to melt just by applying some pressure.
Pressure. This is called regulation. You try to get this to hang off the
This
ice.
is one of the sort of hands-on experiments I would uh, give as a project for students to do in class, and it's one that they always enjoyed because when it worked, it sort of looks kind of spectacular. Like you can't imagine that it actually
Tension
happens.
in the wire is causing an increased pressure on the ice, and what we're going to see.
The setup is it's the weight caused by two milk jugs, 2 gallons full of water, and then a fairly thin wire. And then that wire is pressing into the ice. And what's remarkable about that whole process is the pressure where the wire is going to make the water melt so it becomes liquid. So the wire can pass through that liquid easily. But then the ice is still cold enough that it freezes right back. So the wire just cuts all the way through the ice, and it leaves not like a notch or a trench, but solid ice above it. There are a lot of cases where people suspect regulation might be part of the process, like in ice skating or in curling. The interaction between the rock and the ice, part of the unusual properties for the way that the curling stone moves. It's suspected that might be due to pressure from the stone pushing down on the ice, making some of the ice turn liquid and changing its frictional properties. So there actually are a lot of like unanswered questions still in this field of friction and regulation and how weight is changing frictional properties of ice.
So, you can see the wire didn't cut quite all the way through, but it's getting kind of sunny. So it's going to melt pretty fast after this. But there you go, that's regulation. Change of phase from ice into water due to pressure, not due to temperature.